the BMW X5. This is the SUV that changed the entire luxury game. And today on 91 Gearbox, we're diving into a machine that blends power, comfort, technology, and pure BMW attitude better than almost anything else on the road. When you look at the X5, you instantly know it means business. That bold kidney grille, the sharp LED headlights, the sculpted sides, everything about it screams confidence. It's the kind of SUV that makes people turn their heads even before the engine starts. And once it does start, the excitement gets real. The BMW X5 comes with multiple engine options, but all of them share one thing: serious performance. From the smooth and efficient inline-6 to the powerful V8 that launches this big SUV like a sports car. The X5 proves that luxury doesn't have to be boring. The acceleration is instant, the throttle response is sharp, and the way it holds the road feels more like a performance sedan than a family SUV. BMW built the X5 to dominate highways, mountain roads, and city streets with the same confidence. Step inside, and the story gets even better. BMW's interior design for the X5 is a perfect blend of quality and technology. Premium leather everywhere, soft-touch materials, crystal-cut controls, and a massive curved display that wraps toward the driver. This is one of those cabins where you instantly feel the craftsmanship. The digital instrument cluster is crisp. The infotainment system runs smoothly, and with BMW's latest software, you get gesture controls, ultra-responsive voice commands, and wireless everything. It's not just a vehicle, it feels like a command center. Comfort. The X5 nails it. The seats are supportive, the cabin is quiet, and the suspension absorbs bumps like they don't even exist. Whether you're taking a long road trip or just cruising around town, the X5 makes every minute feel premium. And for families or adventure lovers, there's plenty of space in the back and a large cargo area that can handle anything from shopping bags to travel gear. But what truly separates the X5 from others is how it blends luxury with dynamic performance. Most SUVs are either comfortable or sporty. The X5 is both. When you switch it into sport mode, the steering tightens, the throttle wakes up, and the whole SUV transforms into a beast ready to run. When you want comfort, it relaxes into a smooth and quiet ride that feels like a luxury lounge on wheels. The BMW X5 isn't just an SUV, it's a statement of power, technology, and presence. And that's exactly why it remains one of the most iconic luxury SUVs in the world. If you're looking for performance, style, and everyday practicality in one package, the X5 is impossible to ignore. This is 91 Gearbox, and today you just experienced the legend that keeps evolving, the BMW X5.